Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Scorpio people, in this reading I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So let's start the reading for Scorpio. Okay. Okay, I have got two cards. So Scorpio people, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy between you and your person, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Scorpio and let's see what your partner is thinking about you. Okay. 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 So Scorpio, your partner, these are your partner's energies. Okay. So your partner feels about you that you are someone who takes your decisions, okay, with I mean, whenever you take your decision, you get all the information, all the best to best information with whatever you can get, okay. Plus you are very observant, okay, you are very analytical, okay, you think a lot. It's a Virgo card, so I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo. So Virgos are um, known for their analytical point of views, okay, they observe a bit small to small things. So I feel that Scorpio, you are dealing with Virgo, okay. Now the thing is that your person feels about you that you are in this Hermit card energy, okay, you are taking your own time to come forward, or maybe they feel that you are doing your own research work, okay, you are doing your own R&D work towards this person and towards this relationship, okay, because you do not want to hurt yourself over and over again, okay, maybe you do not want to create any mess for your future. So that's why they feel that you are taking your own time to come forward and talk, okay. And with this Hermit card, I feel that you are someone who never takes decision, okay, I mean your partner feels that you never take decision in hustle bustle, you take your own time, okay, to see what is good for you and for your family and what is not good for you and for your family, okay. And I feel that, I mean your person feels that you have some emotions for them, okay, they see you as someone who is, even though you are in some you are in observant energy right now with this Hermit card, you are holding back your emotions, but still you are doing your own work, Scorpio, but still your partner feels about you that you are looking back to them, okay. You are doing your own course, you are doing your own work, okay, all the day, all the time, okay. Maybe you are yes, you are doing your own work, but still there is them, okay. You have thought of them, okay, that's how they feel about you, Scorpio. You continuously think about them, okay, that's what they feel, okay. You are moving ahead in life, but still you are looking back to them, okay, that's what they feel about you, Virgo, oh sorry, Scorpio. And with this Queen of Wands card, I mean your person feels that eventually, I mean they feel that you want to take certain action towards them in this relationship, but still you are taking your own time, okay. You have flower in your hand, okay, you have wand in your hand. Plus you are someone who is very down to earth person, who is very calm, okay, who is someone who believes in taking action towards something in life, but still you are taking your own time, Okay, this queen is smiling. Okay, so you have emotions for them, you have feelings for them, but still you are hiding your emotions. Okay, but still you are hiding your feelings for them. That's what they feel about you. And I feel that you, even though you have feelings for you, but you are choosing to ignore them. That's what they feel. Okay, and they feel that when the time will be right, you are definitely going to talk certain action towards them in this relationship. So those were the energies of your partner Scorpio towards you. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So we have the Devil, Strength card, and Two of Wands. Scorpio, feel that your person is kind of obsessed about something. Okay, it could be material things, it could be finances, it could be money, it could be sexual attraction towards the third person. Okay, so they are into some kind of obsession. Okay, they are into some kind of obsessed energy, and I feel that they are obsessed about you because they feel that they, even though you are also thinking about them 24/7, they are also thinking about you. So I feel that they are kind of very obsessed about you with this Devil card. Okay, and with this Strength card, I feel that your person is someone who, you feel that about, you feel that your person is someone who is strong enough to take certain action towards this relationship. Okay, you rely on them, you trust in them. And I feel that even though you are in the hermit mode, but still they are waiting for you. It is them who is waiting for you. They are waiting for you to take certain action in this relationship, and the moment you are going to take any action towards them and towards this relationship, they are definitely going to respond you. Okay, so you feel that your person is obsessed about you, or they are obsessed with you. Okay, and with this strength card, you know that they are the one who can be the strong pillar of this relationship. Plus you also feel about them with this Two of Wands, that the day you are going to give them any hint, they are definitely going to take any action towards you. And for some of you, I feel that your person is living at some distance from you. So the day you are going to give them signal that yes, I'm ready, uh, they are going to appear, or yeah, they are going to appear immediately in front of you, that yes, I am also ready to take certain action into this relationship. Okay, so now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and your person. So we have King of Cups. Okay, so mutual feelings, mutual emotions. Okay, both of you have feelings for each other, both of you have love for each other, both of you have emotions for each other, both of you know how to deal with your person, both of you know how to make a relationship a happy relationship. Okay, so yes, both of you are kind and humble towards each other, both of you respects each other a lot, both of you adores each other, both of you uh, love each other. Okay, so this is the mutual energy, Scorpio. And the future potential of this reading is Three of Wands and Two of Cups. As I said, the day you are going to give them any hint, they are definitely going to appear in front of you and going to offer you something. And I feel that uh, it is them who is waiting for your signal. Okay, it is them who is waiting for your signal. They are seeing you from a distance. They are seeing you from a distance. Okay, you are sitting somewhere there. Okay, so they are seeing you from a distance. They are just waiting for you, when you are going to look at them, when you are going to see them. The day you are going to do that, they are definitely going to offer you something in this relationship. And some reconciliation, some meeting, some collaboration is definitely going to take place in this relationship with this Two of Cups. Okay, maybe in future, whenever you are going to show your emotions, whenever you are going to show them some hint, they are definitely going to come forward you come towards you and going to propose you. They are definitely going to propose you in future. That's what I'm feeling, Scorpio. Okay, they're definitely going to show their emotions to you. Okay, and they genuinely wants to settle down with you in life. They genuinely wants you to be there in their life. Okay, so let me just quickly tell all the signs. We have Virgo in this reading, so I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. We have Capricorn in this reading with this Devil card. We have Leo in this reading with this Strength card. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 2 of Wands and 3 of Wands. We have air sign also in this reading with this 7 of Swords. Okay, we have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands and 3 of Wands and 2 of Wands. Did I say that? I'm sorry if I said so. And we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yes, so that was the reading for my dear Scorpio viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.